Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this really cool trick that you can apply to your outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to use this shirt. You can use any shirt you want. I'm just going to load the pattern first here for a bit. It does take some time to load it, I swear. I also want to just use this pattern because why not? And for the second color, I'm just going to select this pink color. Actually, I think I might change it to the same blue one. Then I am going to want to use this dress. And I'm going to make it the same pattern as the outfit, like this. Select these and make sure it's going to be the same color as your outfit. What is going on? And then here I'm just going to select the feather dress, no sleeves, and then I'll do matte and no scales as well here. And then I think I'm gonna just make it this color. For the shorts here, we're going to make it type 3 and the same color as the rest of our body. There we go. And then for this part, I'm also going to color it blue. Like so. Whoa, why is there a lot of people? Okay, and then for the pose, you're just going to do the icy one, which is under the ice skating pack. And as you can see, it looks like you're serving the waters. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!